Wow, oh my gosh. Giant whole ham. Wow. 24 pound. Yeah, Happy New Year, ham. Time to cook it up big style. Basically gonna score it. And we'll see where we go from there. Wow. Yeah, here we go. We got a ham hock. It's a little bit cubed up now. Get the pepper on there. Yeah, we're about to get the pepper on there. Yeah. Warning, warning. Dead deer. Alright, here we go. We got a little dough here. Wow. Alright, Patrick's gonna cut it. He's got his little lady fingers on. That's good. Yeah.
Right in there.
Yeah. See that little slot? Perfect. Alright, now spread the legs. Wait, do we want it to be... Do we want... That's the seasoning stick to meat. You know? Sides. Wow, that's gonna be so right. Try to make it even as possible here. Yeah. Get all season all them crevices I made. Wow, gochujang ham. Wow.
We're out here skinning deer.
Yeah, looks like Andrew's trying to skin it, huh?
Nice little dough. That's why you want to get that fillet knife with the small necks.
Alright, Jim, you're done.
Yeah, that's enough, Jim.
Start there. Come on. Got a little bloody from the butter, so. 4 o'clock. Is it ready? Shoulder roast. Shoulder's cut. Extra piece of meat. Nice back strap right there. Just get that little gray skin off and you're good. Throw it out, Will. So about 6 o'clock. 2 hours on the barbecue pit.
That actually came out perfect.
Wow.
So you have a temperature
Ham
gauge
juice.
where you can measure the temperature?
Yeah.
It has to be between 145 and 160, I think.
Well, that's like
Yeah, it's still got another 20 hours to go. Wow. Hopefully you can pull it off.
Yeah, hopefully it doesn't.
9 o'clock.
Should I bring some food for breakfast and shit like that?
Wow.
For
Oh my
breakfast?
gosh.
Got bacon.
Approximately 6 a.m. 14 hours into the cook. our sticks on. It's about 8 o'clock. Happy New Year.
Like Jim Bob, right?
Wow, it's 3 o'clock. 23 hours in. We're gonna get a little glaze on there. At 4 o'clock, it's gonna go in the oven. This thing looks so crazy right now. 10 minutes to 4. That'll be 24 hours on the pit. It's now 4 o'clock.
Is it 4 o'clock now?
It's gonna be time to take off the ham right away. Oh yeah, what's up? We're at hour 24, 4 o'clock p.m. and our 24-pound ham is complete with glaze. Now we're gonna get this in the pan here.
Glaze.
I'm ready. I think I can do this with one hand.
Wow.
So strong. Whoa. Holy crap. You hear that? Wow. This thing barely can handle it.
It's a big ham.
Alright.
You're a big boy.
Get this inside for the last preparation. Wow.
That good stuff. Remnants of a rendering. New Year's Eve out here. We're having a great time.
Gang. Wow, Jim. Deer leg there. That's venison.
Yeah.
Back leg there. How'd you season that?
Whole side of the hide. You can see it's split into three sections. Like the arrowheads we have are. So that could be the case.
Lemon juice.
Oh,
brown sugar. Onion powder. No, not onion powder. Garlic powder.
Cool, you know what I'm saying?
Wow, 8 o'clock. It's done. Can't believe it. 28 hours later. Brought the internal temperature up to 160. Wow. Yes. Very good.
Check these guys out.
Wow. Wow.
Right off, Joe.
Wow.
Yeah.
Where's the oh, New Year's ham? Oh, it was so right, yeah.
Cold out. Yeah, it made it a lot easier.
You can see the big seed on
Yeah, and
there.
matter of fact, he just got the front porch closed in there.
Yeah. So when we had everybody over on Christmas, Saturday.
Yeah, I was in there.
Interesting.
Fig seed. Look at.
House to their son. Yeah.
And
I think he thinks
so
the work to the house.
everybody was here.
He didn't put an addition
And
on or anything.
even like actually one of my friends who
Yeah,
when I worked at
there's
Sephora,
something
she
different.
came over.
When we walk
She
by,
doesn't
I'm like,
through bad
something's
breakup.
different on our house.
Yes.
That's what it was. They raised it.
They raised
It was like, did they put an addition?
isolated. Yeah. And
Wow,
she
this,
contacted
Luke.
me and said,
Oh my God. Is that the tube?
Oh,
And I said,
yeah.
I can't.
No
I'm in the
backyard.
middle of,
Wow.
like,
No
trying to get ready. I'm like, I can't.
But
I'm
so
like,
what?
I'm
I
gonna,
mean, look at the house.
everybody come over, but
Joe's
like, if you wanna come
Get the
over,
knife out.
Underneath and then walk in
and she
and
did.
What is
She
that?
was having a good time. She was talking
What
to
is that?
everybody and, you know. I just
Well,
think
big cylinder.
But,
They got a wine,
so so anyway, my niece Aubrey, which you probably met at the
You walk
sausage meeting.
under it to get to the garage.
So
Wow.
she brought over, and she had it at Thanksgiving at
I
her
have a
house.
pulled ham.
They got,
Yeah.
the Liskias, the bakery, that rolls, you know, their bakeries are in New Jersey.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not over here, I didn't know that, but there's one near where she lives in Plaquemine.
And what is it?
Liskias.
I have to cook this whole thing again, right? Ham
So
bone?
they got for
Yep.
one of their appetizers, they bought two. A
A
cheesesteak stromboli, and a, like, one, I think it had pepperoni and cheese or something. And so she's like, so when you're having Christmas, like, let me know what I can bring, you know, and I go, one of those. Bring 'em. I like that.
Yeah.
Stromboli's so good. So she did, she brought over cheesesteak stromboli, so.
If I was inside doing what I did this time,
Everybody was eating it, you know, up.
Yeah, so
That's
that's
why
why
I'm
you
like,
think,
yeah,
I'm making my own.
we probably had gone because I think,
This guy